Nick Garlick, Managing Director of Nebulas Solutions Group and responsible for business strategy and direction. We formed just over 8 years ago, originally a network security specialist, and over the last 8 years we've seen the market evolve quite rapidly. The evolution of Bluecoat has been very important in terms of our business. Traditionally we've been providing web security gateways, and the fact now that we can help organisations give them the visibility in terms of their actual applications that they're using, and then accelerate and control those applications and monitor that performance. Bluecoat was always an important aspect of our business, but today, because of the visibility aspect and the prioritisation and the control that you can give, on top of the security, it's made it even a more important part of our business. We started working with Bluecoat when they were cash flow. Soon after that, really became more focused around the security element of their solution, which fitted very well in terms of our product portfolio. We, as a company, then spent a lot more time and invested more resource and technical expertise around certainly the proxy SG and proxy AV side, and as a result today are one of the largest Bluecoat partners in the UK. The decision by Bluecoat to acquire PacketShaper for us was perfect timing. We're seeing a lot of organisations considering WAN optimisation, but often rushing into it, and what we're finding is by taking a step back, by actually looking and analysing and monitoring the traffic, having that visibility in terms of what applications are being used, it means that we can actually prioritise a lot more effectively and accelerate based on that and provide what we consider is a better solution for our customers. Application visibility is incredibly important right now, and I think most customers are surprised when they actually see the results of the application delivery assessments that we do. A large majority of the traffic that they're seeing is recreational traffic. So just the ability to be able to identify exactly what applications are in use and then being able to control those and prioritise the critical elements of that. And from a security point of view, absolutely key that we can actually stop those applications that are undesirable or pose a threat to the organisation. Video is a big headache for a lot of organisations in terms of its consumption of bandwidth, and the ability to be able to prioritise and control that traffic is absolutely key now for organisations as the use of video becomes more prolific within organisations. So because we can identify it, because we can control it and monitor it and effectively prioritise it, we can ensure that that use is not swamping their bandwidth. Application delivery networking for us is all about ensuring that users have access to the applications they need regardless of wherever they are in the world, and application delivery networking is the way in which we can facilitate that. I think the best way of explaining how it comes together is that there's no point accelerating the bad stuff. You may as well only accelerate the stuff that you want and stop everything else. Why would you want to accelerate undesirable traffic or send potentially malicious applications down? So the two are very closely interlinked, and I think as soon as you explain that to customers, they very quickly understand. Being a Bluecoat partner is good. We've invested ourselves in terms of both sales and technical, but the relationship we have with Bluecoat spans our whole business from sales, technical and marketing. We engage with the direct touch teams, some of the best programs we've got, things like the Blue Touch program for support. It means that we can make support a profitable aspect of our business. I think what makes us unique is our approach to business, that we have been highly innovative in our market. We've gone to market very early on with what have become the strongest technologies in their fields, and we were there at the very beginning with those organisations and built a very strong business with them. Customers like the fact that we are technically very interested in finding new ways to deliver cost savings and greater efficiencies for their business. What we say is we make businesses work faster, safer and more efficiently. So we are, as a business, addressing what we consider our organisation's three biggest challenges today: security, performance and efficiency.